Hey there, StarStyleHub viewers. Today, we are diving into the life of the sensational Tana. Born on November 17, 1994, in sunny Orlando, Florida, Tana has taken the social media world by storm. With her Gemini charm, she's not just a pretty face, she's a powerhouse of talent and influence. Standing at 5 feet 7 inches, Tana embodies grace and confidence. Her journey began with a simple Instagram account in 2013, where she shared her best poses and instantly caught the public's eye. Her style? It's as versatile as her personality, ranging from chic bikinis to elegant formal wear. But Tana isn't just about fashion. She's a globetrotter with a passion for travel, and her social media is a passport to her adventures. With her blonde locks and brown eyes, she's a vision that captivates her followers, now counting in the hundreds of thousands. Her influence doesn't stop there. Tana's also a TikTok sensation, where she shares everything from dance moves to lip syncs, all while showcasing her modeling skills. And let's not forget, she's a brand ambassador, collaborating with various brands that align with her vibrant image. Now, what about the numbers? Tana's net worth is estimated to be between $100,000 to $1 million, a testament to her success as a model and social media influencer. So, there you have it, folks. Tana, a name synonymous with beauty, style, and the art of living boldly. Until next time, keep shining like the stars you are, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing biographies.